welcome to our channel. If you haven't visited our channel yet, my name's Brandy, that's Larry. And if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button down below.
So this is the annual Waterfall tour hosted by our friend and fellow Jeepmate Mike Reynolds and Jesse. We got 5 Jeeps and 1 Ram pickup. It's gonna be a good time. We've never gone on this trip, but from the pictures we've seen from the past, and I guess it's going to add some additional waterfalls this year that they haven't visited. It's going to be pretty neat. Hopefully we'll get some good picks. Forecasting is not the greatest, the most favorable for flying a drone or taking pics, but we're going to make the best of it no matter what, because that's what we do. Supposed to be some rain. The sun's peeking out right now, so we'll taking all back roads, checking out some old farms and whatnot along the way, but pretty excited about checking out some of these waterfalls I've never seen. A couple of them I have, most of them I had never seen, so going to be some good stuff. Stay tuned.
It's going to be a good day.
The ones you got for the kids, I can barely hear you. Where'd you go? Huh?
Hold on for you, this way.
You guys have to take it close.
So we stopped at Wyman Lake and we're just finishing up lunch and we're going to be back on the road. Well, they said that we might get into a rainstorm, and well, it's downpouring right now, so we'll see what happens.
But the Jeep don't leak, so
yeah,
we're all set. Plus, it's just water.
Pretty.
Is this that water crossing you was talking to me about?
I'm right behind you, Mike. Go ahead. Yeah, 10-4. When they built this dam, they flooded the town of Flagstaff. So if we keep going, we'll find it there somewhere, I think.
Back there, wait, it looks like there could be another layer up here. I'm not trying to find out. We'll find out. Yeah, we'll let it
This is cool.
Yeah, we'll stand up for a bit.
How many feet you think?
More than one.
Yeah.
I bet that's deeper there. Try it.
As you can see, we have our tent all set up, and we have our trusty bug tent because the mosquitoes here are not too nice. For a Walmart bug tent, this has worked out very, very well.
Yeah, this thing, again, is a savior. Every time I use it, thank our lucky stars. Worth every nickel and won a whole lot of money. Keeps us out the bugs, cuts down the wind a little bit, even though it ain't windy, thank goodness, and it's fairly water resistant. And I don't think we're going to have to find out either, which is good. Got this little new rig here I'm trying out. All my kitchen stuff, spices, and paper towel, and yeah, it's pretty slick. I like it a lot. Hanging off a ready light, ready for service. Got two of these up in the tent already. These little detachable dealies. Hey, what's going on? Get in the camp, they're all set up. Coconut switch out. Fresh burger from the local butcher. Green peppers, garlic, sea salt, some fresh tomatoes in there. And I got some leftover Asian noodles. Yum. Oh, got some sauce right there too. I'm gonna wind that in there a little bit. So this is gonna hit the spot just about right here. A couple more minutes.